Drones have become a popular tool for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography. They are also being used for exploration purposes, such as surveying land and inspecting structures. Moreover, drones are not just limited to capturing breathtaking visuals. They are also being used for exploration purposes, such as surveying land and inspecting structures. In fact, drones have become an essential tool in industries such as construction, agriculture, and mining, where they're used for monitoring and mapping purposes. But with so many options in the market, it can be challenging to purchase the best one. That's why we've got you covered. Welcome to our channel, Top Tech Gadgets. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 drones in 2023, their features, pros and cons. So if you are in the market for a new drone, this video will help you make an informed decision. Drone number 5, DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the latest addition to DJI's popular Mavic series, and it's one of the most impressive drones in the market. The drone is equipped with an impressive Hasselblad camera that can capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing sharp and vivid footage. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Mavic 3 is its flight time. With a maximum flight time of 45 minutes, it's one of the best drones in the market. This means that you can spend more time capturing footage and less time charging the drone. The drone also has a range of 10 kilometers, which allows you to explore a larger area and capture footage from a distance. The DJI Mavic 3 comes with advanced features such as obstacle avoidance, subject tracking, and GPS stabilization. The obstacle avoidance feature, for example, uses sensors to detect obstacles and automatically adjust the drone's flight path to avoid them. This helps prevent accidents and damage to the drone. However, the DJI Mavic 3 is quite expensive, with a price tag of $2,000. Nevertheless, for professionals who demand high-quality footage and advanced features, the DJI Mavic 3 is a worthwhile investment. Drone number 4, Autel Evo 3. With its advanced features and impressive capabilities, Autel Evo 3 has set a new standard in the drone industry. One of the standout features of the Autel Evo 3 is its powerful camera. It has a high-quality 6K camera that captures stunningly clear and detailed footage. The camera is also mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, providing excellent stabilization and smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. The drone's intelligent flight features are also impressive. It has obstacle avoidance sensors that help prevent collisions and ensure safe and efficient flight. Additionally, it has a range of intelligent flight modes, including active track, which allows the drone to track and follow a subject automatically, and waypoints, which enable the drone to fly to specific locations autonomously. The Autel Evo 3 also has a long battery life, with a maximum flight time of up to 45 minutes. This extended battery life allows for longer flights and more time to capture footage. The Autel Evo 3 is a top-performing drone with excellent features and capabilities. Whether you are a professional photographer, videographer, or just looking to capture stunning aerial footage, this drone is an excellent choice. Drone number 3, DJI Air 2S. This drone comes with a 20-megapixel camera that can capture stunning aerial footage. It can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second and has a flight time of 31 minutes, which is impressive for a drone of this size. The DJI Air 2S also has advanced features such as obstacle avoidance, subject tracking, and GPS stabilization. The obstacle avoidance feature uses sensors to detect obstacles and automatically adjust the drone's flight path to avoid collisions. The subject tracking feature makes it easy to follow moving objects such as cars or animals. GPS stabilization ensures that the drone stays stable during flight, even in windy conditions. One of the unique features of the DJI Air 2S is its compact size. It's easy to transport and doesn't take up a lot of space. This makes it a great option for those who need to travel frequently with their drone. Despite its small size, the DJI Air 2S is still capable of capturing high-quality footage with its advanced camera and features. Another advantage of the DJI Air 2S is its affordability. With a price tag of $999, it's one of the most affordable drones on our list. Number 2, Parrot Anafi USA. Its rugged design makes it perfect for use in industries such as construction, surveying, and inspection. This drone comes with an amazing 4K camera that can tilt up to 180 degrees, which allows for unique and creative shots. The Parrot Anafi USA has a flight time of 32 minutes, which is quite impressive and ensures you get ample time to capture the perfect shot. One of the most significant advantages of this drone is its range of 6 kilometers, which allows you to cover a considerable area without losing signal or risking it flying out of range. Additionally, the Parrot Anafi USA is lightweight and foldable, making it extremely easy to transport to job sites. Its compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use, and it takes up minimal space. The Parrot Anafi USA is equipped with several advanced features that make it stand out from other drones in its category. For instance, it has obstacle avoidance, which helps prevent the drone from colliding with objects, making it safe to use. It also has thermal imaging, which can be quite helpful in identifying hotspots or problem areas in various settings. Drone number 1, Skydio X2. It comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology that enables it to fly and track objects without the need for a pilot. This feature makes it a great option for industries such as search and rescue and surveillance, where having a human pilot may not be feasible or safe. The Skydio X2 has a 12-megapixel camera that can capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. This makes it perfect for capturing high-quality footage and images that are essential in industries such as cinematography and inspection. The drone has a flight time of 35 minutes, which is more than enough to capture most shots. It also has an impressive range of 6 kilometers, which makes it perfect for covering a wide area without losing signal. The Skydio X2 comes equipped with advanced features such as GPS stabilization, which ensures the drone remains stable and easy to control even in windy conditions. Additionally, it has subject tracking, which allows the drone to follow a moving object while keeping it in the frame. This feature makes it perfect for capturing footage of fast-moving objects, such as cars and athletes. The only downside to this drone is its price, with a price tag of $10,000. So there you have it, our top 5 best drones in 2023. Each drone comes with its unique set of features, pros and cons, and it's up to you to decide which one fits your needs best. Whether you are a professional photographer or a hobbyist, there is a drone on this list for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed decision when purchasing a drone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.